Leather interiors need a little love to keep that classy vibe and soft feel. Leather Detailer is your go-to for a quick refresh. Just spray and wipe. No fancy routines. Use a brush, scrubber, or just a microfiber, whatever works. It knocks out dust, greasy smudges, fingerprints, and the daily grime without all that hardcore scrubbing. Leaves your leather looking clean, soft, and matte, no greasy mess. Perfect for cars, bikes, boats, or even leather gear. It cleans and protects in one go, making it the ultimate no-fuss solution for everyday leather care. Time to level up your ride care. Discover a whole new vibe with Good Stuff car care products.